When it comes to the visible signs of aging, everybody would like improvement super fast. And with a lot of products, especially topical products, it takes a really long time to see a difference. And some of the fastest results you can get come from ingredients that don't always agree with everyone's skin, namely retinol. But did you know there is an ingredient that works just as well as retinol and yet doesn't provide the risks, redness, peeling, or acclimation time to get used to it to get those results, and in fact can deliver results faster than retinol, because retinol, the over-the-counter version of retinoic acid, and its prescription counterpart, Retin A or tretinoin, takes 6 to 9 months before you really begin to see a big difference. This mysterious all-natural ingredient is called Bakuchiol, and it's not just hearsay or anecdotal evidence from people who use it, people who get results like these. There are even clinical studies that show Bakuchiol can give a 20% improvement in fine lines and wrinkles, 15% improvement in firmness in the very first month you're using it. And in those clinical studies, of course, a professional grade strength of Bakuchiol was used. And therein lies yet another problem. A lot of the products that have Bakuchiol in them don't really have enough to give you those kind of results. But that is where the really good news comes in. I did a video on this mysterious oil about a couple months ago, and all of those comments that you just saw had to do with this product right here, First Row Deep Renewal Serum, because this formulation has the level of Bakuchiol needed to provide those type of results that quickly. Bakuchiol actually works with your skin rather than against it, whereas retinol damages the skin's barrier, and the process of your skin's barrier repairing itself is what delivers those dramatic results that retinol and tretinoin deliver over time, a long time. Bakuchiol activating the same genetic pathways as retinol, boosting that collagen production and speeding up cellular turnover without being problematic for even the most sensitive skin, meaning you get even better anti-aging results without the recovery period. So right now we're going to flow over into all the information you need to know about this product, what's in it, how it works, what to expect, and actually how to use it. Hey, welcome back. I am really excited to be sharing something with you today, because what I'm going to tell you about in today's video has the ability to not only slow down the signs of aging, but eliminate them. It's one of the few all-natural ingredients just as powerful as retinoic acid, without the risk of irritation, dryness, flakiness, and redness that we typically see when our skin tries to acclimate to retinoic acid. All in a formulation that stimulates collagen production, giving you back your skin's elasticity, increases cellular turnover that slows down as we get older, revealing brand new, baby soft, youthful skin, provides superior antioxidant protection, all while smoothing and soothing skin inflammation. That retinol replacement ingredient is called Bakuchiol, and perhaps its biggest benefit is its ability to remove dark marks, hyperpigmentation, and age spots while preventing them from coming back. This superpowered Chris Gibson approved formula, now available at Clear Revolution Skincare and my personal signature line, called First Row Deep Renewal Serum. Now, this is an oil serum, and we've talked a lot about oils here on the channel and how well they do for skin. I've included jojoba, evening primrose, and rosehip oil in this formulation. Very hydrating, goes on very light, very easy, and absorbs. And unlike retinol, can be used during the day or in the evening. Whereas retinoic acid only works really well at night because the sun breaks it down. You don't have that issue with a Bakuchi oil formula. Super simple to apply during your skincare routine. It takes just a very few drops of this oil, and you pat it in the areas where you want to treat the signs of aging, age spots, dark marks, and thinning areas of collagen loss. Now, it can be used on the back of the hands. It works wonderful on the arms, knees, chest, neck, anywhere you want to boost that collagen production and you want to improve the look of your skin. And because I am really excited about having a retinol alternative in the skincare line, I'm going to put a link down below in the video description box where you can go read about it for yourself. Include a special discount code for this video below. And Clear Revolution Skincare has kept the cost of this product very, very low. A bottle like this used twice a day is going to last you up to 2 months. So when should you expect to see visible results? Well, Bakuchiol actually works a little bit faster on the surface of the skin than does retinol. So you're going to see that newer skin show up sooner, darker areas are going to become lighter faster, and the increase in hydration and elasticity in your skin in the first week you use it. But just like retinoic acid, it's going to take time for the collagen building factors in your skin to respond to this product, giving you noticeable results within 90 days that build on themselves, again, just like retinoic acid would do. Now, should you decide to try out First Grow Deep Renewal Serum, please come back to the video and let us know how it's working for you. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, please be sure and check out this video I picked out for you next. Thank you for watching this video today and supporting my work. I really do appreciate you. That said, stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.